Here we're trying to get the rest of the fence that goes around the driveway and separates the pasture from where we're trying to build, trying to get it finished up. Every once in a while, as I'm welding, sparks from the welder catch the grass on fire, and for the most part, I can just stomp it out after it burns a little bit, but this one got away from me a bit.
So things were going good until we had a little spark with the welder. Trying to get the fire calmed down. Whew.
So we try to burn a little bit around each post. That way we don't continually have fires as we're continuing to weld. We'll let it burn a bit and then stomp it out. It also was nice when we got ready to paint because we didn't have grass leaning up against the post. It was all burned away. So here we are just trying to get some primer on, and then we'll come back later and paint this black. And the spray tip that we're using is like a 2-inch, 2 or 4-inch, I can't remember, 2 or 4-inch spray tip, but I'm trying to get the hang of it. Keep the overspray down to a minimum, but still try to go faster and more and smoother than roller or a mid or anything else that we've tried in the past. But I'm way too close at this point, so I'm putting on way more paint. I had to turn the pressure down, and I think this is when we were spraying with a wider tip, so I changed tips to try to get it to where it's more focused. Radar! Here it is a couple of days later, and you can see the little spots where I've burnt. Um, they'd already been rained on, it looked like, because they weren't quite as severe. Oh, what do you mean overspray? There's no overspray. I'm pretty sure that you're not supposed to move these full.
Guess what today is? We are moving.
We did at least set it up on the trailer and then strap it down, and didn't try to just move it over with the Bobcat. So there is that.
Feeling about this move day.
I want to be very, 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 very excited.
Yes, but
we do not have the proper DC power we need. So the slides are not properly working.
okay.
Therefore, we're going to attempt moving with the slides out. And the bedroom slide is halfway in.
Okay.
And Dustin says, let's go anyway.
And you say?
Okay. I don't know if this is a good idea.
Here you go.
Is this a good idea?
No, probably not. It's not the best idea. So the chassis batteries on this coach, there are some parasitic draws. There's some parasitic power draws that drain the batteries. And so these batteries had gotten drained, and they were old anyway, but when they freeze, when they get completely discharged, it pretty much runs the battery. So we got the motorhome jumped, but it never did have enough current and voltage to get the slides in. And I was pretty sure that we hit some type of low voltage disconnect that kept the computer that runs the leveling system and the sides from working, but I didn't want to shut the coach off to try to reset it. So we just went over with the slides halfway out. The propane tank was already over there. We had it in our mind that we were moving over, so we did it, and we figured we'd figure it out once we got over there. It all worked out. Once I killed the coach and turned it back on, we were able to put a battery charger on it and get the slides fully extended again. Any idiot can run a plasma cutter, they say. Well, apparently not this idiot. So I couldn't find the right travel speed, and it kept slagging up on the back side. It could have been the fact that there was paint on it and everything else, but it kept slagging up on the back side, so we had a little bit of difficulty getting it to pop out. So that door that you see there is an old door that Mom and Dad took off their house. Really heavy ornamental iron door that was just sitting out behind the shop. We threw it in a 3x3 box metal frame, and this will give us a walkway door that doesn't take two hands and a pretty decent hug from your lower back to get open like the container doors do. So that's what we're trying to do here, is just install this in the side of the container right off the patio. Here's where it flagged up on us and I couldn't get it to release. We've already ground a few places out that I missed, and it's so close to wanting to come out. We just needed a bigger hammer. Every problem can be solved with a bigger hammer.
Honey, I'm home. Oh no, there's a hole in the container. Hi, Amy Jo.
Hi.
What's up? Look, now we can get to close really easy.
Pretty good.
Yay! I love it. That is a good look on you, Dan.
Yeah, yeah, kid.
Yeah, yeah.
Atta kid.
It on, but thanks. It was hot coming off of that thing.
Whew.